In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create magic circles using PowerPoint. I'm going to start off by going to my Insert tab and going to Shapes. And I'm going to choose the oval, and I'm just going to make a circle on the screen. I'm going to make this circle 6 by 6, and that way you'll end up having a perfect circle. Still having that circle selected, now I'm going to go to Shape Fill and I'm going to give the color white. And then for the shape outline, I'm going to make that black. And then also, once again, to shape outline, select that submenu, go over down to weight. I'm going to give that a heavier weight down to like 4.5. Now, on the left side of your screen, towards the top, you should see the shapes, and I'm going to select a line. And as I move the cursor towards the center of the circle, you'll see that highlights black, and that's going to lock it into that destination. And I'm going to hold the Shift key while I make this line, and it's going to keep it straight until I get to the other side of the circle. I'm going to lock it in there. And I'm going to select the circle again to bring up the center point down here at the bottom, and I'm going to select the line again, taking it towards the bottom, holding the Shift key one more time, and locking it in that vertical direction until it intersects with the other line. By having the cursor on the side in this area above where these two lines are, I can now click and drag across the bottom side of the circle, and it's going to select both of those lines at once. I'm going to go to Shape Outline, select the color black again, go to Shape Outline one more time, go to Weight, and once again take it down to 4.5. So there's the basic structure of the circle. Now I'm going to go up to my Insert tab again, go over to Word Art, click on that, and I usually just use this first letter. And then I'm going to type in capital E. Now I can take this letter and move it wherever I need to, and it will try to lock itself into the centered position, like so. I'm going to increase the size of the font by going to Home, and I'm going to take it up to 88, and then recenter that in this area. With that letter selected now, I can go Control C, and that's going to copy that letter. And then if I click go Control V, it's going to paste that a couple of times. Now I can take this letter, move it over here, and take the other letter and move it over here. Move this up a little bit. And I'm going to highlight this letter E, make it a capital letter I. I'm going to select this letter and make it a capital letter R. And now we've got a magic circle for voltage and current and resistance. If I want to change the R to an ohm symbol, I will just highlight that, go up to my Insert tab, move over to Symbol, and if you have not done this recently, you'll have to scroll down until you find the ohm symbol. But I'm going to insert an ohm, and now it changes to an ohm symbol. If I have a situation where a letter needs to have, if it needs to be squared in an equation, such as if this is going to be for power, I can just type in a number 2 after that E and select that. And then there's a couple of different ways. I can go to Home, or excuse me, I can go right click on it, go down to font, and then select superscript. It'll automatically raise that up. If I need to make subscript, I can once again click on that, go to font, and instead choose superscript. Now drop, or excuse me, subscript, and I'll drop it down. Another way to do that is to hold the control button, and if you hit the control button, hit the minus button, or am I doing that wrong? Is it control shift? There we go. Control shift plus will raise it up. If I do that again, it'll make it normal. If I go control shift, or no, control, I forgot what the keyboard shortcut is for subscript. Anyways, have fun with it. After you do this, you can print this and try to do it in a poster print, and you can spread out over more pieces of paper. Have fun with your circles.